Bad Shopify development looks cheap up front, but it becomes one of the most expensive mistakes a brand can make. Because anyone can call themselves a Shopify developer, stores often end up with hard-coded sections, bloated themes, and app overload that silently destroys performance. The impact shows up later: slow load times, SEO drops, broken checkouts, and app conflicts that cost real revenue. We've seen brands lose thousands during launches or Black Friday simply because their store couldn't handle traffic. Fixing bad code usually costs far more than building it properly, from cleaning up app scripts to rebuilding entire templates. The solution is real QA, version control, code reviews, device testing, and performance checks. Good development protects your brand, your customers, and your revenue. Want a clean, scalable Shopify foundation? Contact us and we'll audit or rebuild your store the right way.